In October 2016, I nervously recorded my first ever YouTube video in front of a Nora Head lighthouse.
Wales. My passion is landscape photography.
My intention at the time was to try and record some of my photography outings. Eventually I started uploading videos to YouTube, and over the years the channel started to slowly grow. We reached a milestone this week with the channel turning over 1,000 subscribers. To everyone who's ever liked, commented, subscribed, or even shared any of my videos, I really appreciate your support. Landscape photography has changed the way I look at the world. I've been able to travel to some amazing locations, meet some wonderful people. I just love getting out with my camera in nature and being able to capture those moments. It's been a hell of a ride so far, and hopefully plenty more to come. This is unbelievable, this light, this small. I'm going to continually pick